Let's learn a new letter, the letter A, the first letter in the alphabet. Here is big A, and here is little a. Here is capital A, and here is baby a. The letter A has two sounds, a short sound and a long sound. Let's hear words with the short sound A, which is a, like in and, or in astronaut, or in apple. A for and, A for astronaut, and A for apple. The long vowel A makes the same sound as the name of the letter, as in A for alien, or A for angel, or A for the ABC. Now let's learn the rules for when we use a capital. We use a capital for a name. For example, the girl's name is Nan. The N is a capital N because that is the little girl's name. The first letter in a sentence is always a capital. For example, it is a tin. The I in the it is a capital I because it's the beginning of a sentence. We also use capitals for the letters of titles. For instance, Nan's nap, big N, and another big N for the title. And when do we use nt? N''T. We use nt when we want to say not, when we want to mean not. It is not me. It is I. It is me. It isn't I. It is not me. And finally, let's learn the rules about when we use a or an. We use a or an in front of a singular noun. We use a in front of most nouns, for example, a pan. But we use an in front of nouns that begin with a vowel. For example, an ant, an ants.